What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we haven't posted in like 3 months. I'm gonna fill you guys in real fast. So these are the new headquarters. We're in our own garage now, no longer my parents' garage. So we bought a house, so we've been trying to fix up the house and whatever, build it so it's livable, because we bought like a flip home that wasn't really livable, but we somehow still got a loan for it. But anyway, so here we are posting again. There has obviously been a name change. Now it's Rsx Garage, not Dreambuilds. I guess Dreambuilds wasn't really catchy. I don't know, it wouldn't fly your tongue easily. It was hard for people to like type it in or understand. All right, so how did we come up with Rsx Garage? Pretty much it's all behind BMW, the famous inline six engines, and that's mostly what we're into. That's what the channel is really about. I mean, we still have, some JDM cars because we still like JDM, but it's mostly gonna be about BMW. But anyways, here we have a JDM car, believe it or not. We have an Rsx 2004 Type S. We picked it up for a really great price of $2,500. At least that's a good price for the market. It's clean title, low mileage. I think 130,000 miles is low mileage. So this is gonna be our first video back. It's gonna be a quick paint job. We bought it. It didn't look so hot. We already prepped it. We did all the boring stuff for you guys already. The stuff nobody really wants to see. We only primed like the rough looking spots. But other than that, it was just a quick sand. All right, so this video is really gonna be about how to do a cheap paint job in your own garage. As you can see, we already started messing with the fan, all that good stuff. I'm not gonna show you how to do that because I don't think I really understand it that well to be teaching it, but I know it well enough to where I can paint a car. So what do we have here? Harbor Freight Tools paint gun, $15. We went with like a little fancy air pressure regulator, but you can get one for $3. This one was like $17. And then we have the filter for the hose. So far here we have $130 worth of material. Well, I guess right above $30.
You said $130?
No, just $30.
Oh.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. Oh, there's no way.
You can cut that out or what?
Yeah, go ahead. I don't care, bro. I can talk.
Huh?
Go ahead.
Whatever. So we have $15. Whatever, $15. Let's say $15. That's 30. It should really be like 18. And then another $3. And the paint, we don't need a gallon, but we bought a gallon just because it's a better value. But really, you just need maybe like 2 quarts and then a reducer and a hardener or activator or whatever puts you at half a gallon. That should be enough to do the car. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys. So much for a color reveal. Here's the color. So very similar to the color we painted the FRS in, but this is lighter. There's some missing because we painted the bumpers, the front bumper and the rear bumper behind the scenes. But we're just going to show you guys the body of the car. So I'm going to just go ahead and pour it into this cup, and then from this cup, do my measurements with this one, just because it's easier. That should be good enough. So we're looking at about a quart. All right, so we have a quart of hardener and the medium reducer. If you have any questions on the reducer, go ahead and just leave it in the comments. I'll try to answer those. But we went with the medium reducer just because it's a little bit cooler than most summer days. And we're gonna mix a 4 to 1 to 1. So 4 parts paint, 1 reducer, 1 hardener. It's really easy on here. You just find that ratio, 4 to 1 to 1. They say they don't you don't need a reducer, but you can use one if you would want to. And I've said, might as well. So here we go, the 4 to 1 to 1. So I'll probably mix the whole thing. Okay. So I went all the way up to the 6. So now I have to do reducer all the way up to the next 6. That's good. Or that's close enough. I don't want too much reducer, because then you're going to start getting like a solvent pop and fisheye. It's probably the same thing, whatever. Okay, so we're going to go up to the next number 6 with the hardener. That's a lot of hardener. There we go. Woo. guys, so that's gonna be it pretty much for this video. The paint job looks amazing. It looks so much better in the sun. We went ahead and put the OEM Type S decals on there. And the car looks sick. I'm honestly super impressed with the paint job, the color, the quality. But that's gonna be it pretty much for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.